glad it's a nice day outside.
Uh-huh. I love it when the sun is shining. Hi, Baby Box. We're all here.
Hacha!
Hi, Gabby. Hi, Pandy. Hi, Cat Rat. Did you want to make a craft with me?
Yes, we'd love to. And after we make our craft, we can all go play outside in the sun.
Why don't we take our crafts with us to play outdoors?
That sounds awesome. What kind of craft would that be?
Oh, I know. We can make little sailboats.
Whoa, cool.
Will these sailboats be able to float on water?
Yikes! I hope I don't get wet.
These boats will float. I'll show you how to make them. Let's build them together.
All
Show
right.
us, show us.
For this craft, you will need 2 empty water bottles, duct tape, safety scissors, and cardboard. To make the base of your boat, cut a rectangle out of your cardboard. Cut a triangle out too. We'll use that piece for later. Cover the square cardboard with duct tape. This will make it waterproof. Duct tape the 2 water bottles onto the bottom of your square. This will make your boat float. Cover your triangle shape in duct tape too. That's your boat's sail.
I'm going to use purple duct tape for my boat sail.
Ooh, I'll do green for mine.
Blue like me, of course.
Once your triangle is covered, duct tape it to your boat square. Now we're ready to float our boats.
I put stickers on my sailboat.
Pom-poms and polka dots. That's a nice touch, Gabby.
We're ready to set sail.
Let's go to the garden. Hi, Kitty Fairy.
Hi, Gabby. Look at those boats. Did you make them?
We did. We're looking for a place to sail them.
I have a big bird bath that will work. Follow me.
I can't wait.
Yay! Have fun. Just remember to recycle the plastic water bottles once you are done playing.
Thanks for the reminder. Time to set sail.
Away we go.
Whee! Look at it float!
Woohoo! What are you doing, Cat Rat?
Avoiding contact with water at all possible. Go, boat, go! Woo! Anyone else feeling a little winded? Just me?
Oh, Cat Rat.
DreamWorks' Gabby's Dollhouse.